going on, YouTube? So, this is a day that, well, my wife has been waiting for a long time, but I've been waiting for it as well. But we are on our way to Rains Precision Motorsports in Littleton. Jade, what are we doing?
We are getting Mom's lift kit.
Mom's lift kit. So, just got notification that it just got delivered today, so we are on our way to get this picked up, and you'll find out what we win. What is it? What is it? Oh, is it RPM? It's Mr. Glenn's shop, huh? You're so excited.
Getting our lift kit.
You're getting your lift kit? Alright guys, got the back of the Highlander full of a bunch of goodies. There you go. I haven't really said much, but we're going with Meadow Cloak, 2.5-inch game changer. Here with Glenn Rains at Rains Precision Motorsports. Glenn, it's a great lift kit, ain't it?
We're about to find out. Proof's all in the pudding for me, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm sure we're going to get a chance to work on it and do some alignment stuff. So
yeah. Well, normally you guys know that I usually have RPM do all of my work. But part of me has always really wanted to build up a Jeep on my own, and a lot of you guys out there talk a lot of smack saying I don't know how to work on cars. Glenn calls me a backyard mechanic, so we'll figure out how all this goes. But it's definitely going to come back here to RPM for him to make sure I did stuff right.
I'm sure it'd be just fine.
All right. Cool, guys. We'll check you guys later.
Yeah.
What's the car full of?
Boxes.
And what's in the boxes?
Mommy's lift kit.
Mommy's lift kit. Look at that. Completely full in the back.
Boxes.
I'm glad we brought the Highlander because I don't think all those would have fit in the Jeep, huh?
Boxes.
Boxes. Guys, so got the lift kit in here. I am going to head over to the Wrong B garage. Art Gorski, he's actually got a pretty decent setup in his garage. That's where I'm going to do the install, just because he has a lift in his garage. So the next video that you guys see will likely be at the Wrong B garage. If you guys are curious about why it's called the Wrong B garage, we'll talk about it at that point. But anyways, we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And this Meadow Cloak lift kit is going to be awesome.
Oh, this you crazy mother.